Myself Jyoti Iyer, tutor of Saraswati Tuition, Davangere. Welcome to my class, Maths with Jyoti Ma'am. It's a class for 8th standard students, Karnataka State Syllabus. In that, the second chapter, Algebraic Expressions, exercise number 2.4. In that 7th line, evaluate using the identity a minus b whole square is equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. That means we have to evaluate these problems by using this identity only. Okay. Therefore, 49 whole square, we have to make this 49 is in the form of a minus b. We have to write it in the two forms, expanded form, like that. It should be in the a minus b form. How? So if you want to write 49, how we can write in the form of a minus b? If you are writing case in the expanded form 49, you will write 40 plus 9. But here given is a minus b. There should be minus should come between the two numbers. Let's think. That is 49 can be written as 50 minus 1. That is equals to 50 minus 1 whole square. Now this is in the form of a minus b whole square, and it can be written in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square. Therefore, a minus b whole square is equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. The value of a is equals to 50 and the value of b is equals to 1. Okay, understood students? Now substitute these values in this identity. That is equals to 50 minus 1 whole square is equals to 50 square. A square is nothing but 50 square minus 2 into value of a is again 50 and value of b is 1 plus value of b is b square is nothing but 1 square. Here we substituted the values of a and b in the identity. Now we are going to simplify this. That is equals to 50 square is nothing but 5 5s are 25 along with 2 zeros. Otherwise you can take like this 50 into 50. 5 5s are 25 along with 2 zeros. Minus 5 2s are 10. 100 plus 1 square. Simplifying this, 1 square is nothing but 1 only. Okay. Now simplify this. 2501 minus 100, that is equals to 2401. Okay. Next go to the 9.8 whole square. This also should be written in the form of a minus b whole square. How it is possible? 9.8 can be written as in the plus form. It is 9 plus 0.8, but plus should not become here. Let us think. It can be written as 10 plus 10 minus 0.2 whole square, isn't it? 9.8 can be written in the form of 10 minus 0.2 whole square. Now substituting the values, value of a is equals to 10 and value of b is equals to 0.2. Now substituting these values in the equation, that is equals to a minus b whole square is equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay. A 10, that is 10 minus 0.2 whole square is equals to a square is 10 square minus 2 into a is 10 and value of b is 0.2 plus b square is 0.2 whole square. Now simplifying this, 10 into 10, that is equals to 100. 100 minus 10 2s are 20, 20 2s are 40. 40, but 0 is point is there, therefore 0.4 plus 0.2 into 0.2 is 0.04. That is 100 minus 4 is, do this, 100 minus 4 is 96 plus 0.04. Answer will be 96.04. Okay, you can do it separately by multiplying, and 0.2 whole square can also be multiplied like that. 0.2 into 0.2, you will get 0.04. Now the next problem, the third one or fourth one, which one you want? The fourth one I am doing, that is 198. That here you can easily tell that it should be written in the form of a minus b whole square, that is equals to, if it is easily we can tell 200 minus 2 whole square, isn't it? Okay, a minus b whole square is equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, now we are verifying the values of a, that is value of a is 200 and value of b is equals to 2. Now substituting these values in that equation or identity, that is equals to 200 minus 2 whole square is equals to a square. A square is nothing but, look at the value, a is equals to 200 square minus 2 into 2 is there in the identity. I am following the identity only. 2 into the value of a is again 200 and value of b is 2 plus b square is 2 square. Okay, we substituted the values of a and b in the identity, a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now 200 square is nothing but 200 into 200. How much you will get? 2 2s are 4 along with 4 zeros, isn't it? That is equals to 40,000 minus here also 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, that is 800 plus 4, 40,000. That is equals to 40,800 plus 4. Now we are subtracting 40,000 minus 800. You can use in it, you can directly tell, but I am telling you along with the working. That is 10 to 10 minus 8 is 2, 9 and 3. 39,200 plus 4. That is equals to 39,200 plus 4 is equals to 39,204. Students, understood? Okay, let us come to the end of my class. Keep watching my videos and do subscribe. Thank you for watching, students. Bye bye.